we are back in Newman. We've been back for a week now, settling in. Got a new bub. Mrs. had a bub about 5 weeks ago now. I also got our new vehicle, new full drive. We just purchased about 2 months ago now. It's a BT50 SP 2023 model, but I'll do a rundown on that later. I might do a separate video on that. All the fruit, bells and whistles on it. Anyway, we are going out to Hickman Crater. You don't know how to get there. From Newman, come down Marble Bar Road, about 27 k's. Turn toward Calgan Pool. Keep on that road all the way down. Follow the railway track for about 31 k's. Should be on the left-hand side, and then just basically follow your nose till you hit the range. A bit of a hills there, and then turn left again, and basically follow your nose. It is a bit rough and rugged, I heard, but we'll see what the BT50 can do, eh? Anyway, let's get going. I don't want to waste any more time. The railway access road, and now we're on the Hickman Crater track, full drive only, as it's stated right there. I'm gonna air down my tyres. I'm gonna air down to probably about 20 psi, because it's bloody corrugated, really corrugated. The railway access road was pretty good. I ran about 30 on that, so it's yeah, it's pretty good. Anyway, time to air down. And being that, I'm using my Ironman Speedy deflator. I had it for quite a while now, and I heavily rely on this because it does the job. All you have to do, I'll just unfold it. All you have to do is just screw that onto the valve stem, tighten it up, make sure it's tight, and then screw this to screw the valve out, and then basically use this to deflate the tyre where you want to deflate it. So like I'm deflated mine down to 20 psi, and yeah, it should be a nice comfortable drive. Hickman Crater. Look at it. Take a look. Bloody big impact, I can tell you that. While you're here, don't forget to sign the logbook. It's a bit hard to get in. Yeah. There you go. Sign your life away. Right how it is. What do you think of the place? Alright, that's it. We're on our way home. Gonna yeah, we're on our way home now. Almost the end of the day. Real good day trip. Kid had enough. They can only take so much, but it was a pretty good day out. If you want to do it, I recommend it. Just make sure you have a good full drive, high clearance full drive, and yeah, just enjoy the day. Hickman Crater. You also got Panda Pool out there, and you got Calgon Pool, Calgon River. Take your pick, there's plenty to do up here. Plenty to do out here. Alright. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I should say our channel. And give this video a like. Very much appreciated. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bad boys with you. Massive ant mound.